Beginner's Self-Care Guide to Healthy and Smooth Soft Skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Hacks. Video is loading, like and subscribe. Today's video is about beginner skincare tips for teens. Before we begin, let's talk about why having a skincare routine is important, as I am talking about skincare. Many of you are thinking about using a lot of products, but no. What is skincare? Things that you do and use to keep your skin healthy and attractive. Teenage years are when your body goes through many changes, including changes in your skin. Hormonal changes can make your skin oily, dry, and acne-prone skin. A good skincare routine can help fight these issues and keep your skin healthy. Teenage skin is also more sensitive compared to adult skin, so the products you use and the way you use them can have a significant impact on your skin's health. It's very easy and simple to adopt a skincare routine that actually works. You simply need the proper skincare products suitable for your skin type. Let's talk about skin types. Dry, oily combination, dehydrated, sensitive, acne-prone, and normal skins. Remember to avoid using harsh skincare products that can strip your skin of natural oils and cause dryness and irritation. Look for products labeled as gentle or formulated for sensitive skin. Don't use any skincare product if you don't have any skin issue. Let's start. First step, cleansing. Cleansing is the first step of any skincare routine. It helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin's surface, allowing other skincare products to penetrate better. Use a gentle cleanser. I prefer using a milk cleanser. For everyday use, 10 to 15 years old can use a cleansing milk for removing dirt from their face. After school, while exfoliating cleans can be used once or twice a week. Remember, use lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out your skin. Skin type, oily skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin. Cleanser, salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide ingredient. Helps treating acne. Cleanse your face twice a day, once in and once before bed. Don't scrub your skin harshly. Do soft circular strokes, making sure to cover every part of your face. Second step, toner. Best toner for face is rose water, especially for teens. Teens should not use a lot of products for their skin. It can damage and make their skin mature. Rose water is a natural toner, or you can mix aloe vera, vitamin E capsule and rose water and apply it after cleansing. Use serums suitable for your skin. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is an essential step to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether oily, dry, or combination skin. Oily skin means lightweight and oil-free moisturizer. Dry skin means heavier cream-based moisturizer. Acne-prone skin means you need gel-based moisturizer. Sensitive skin means you have to use fragrance-free moisturizer. If you skip serum step, you should apply moisturizer after toning. Don't forget to moisturize your skin twice, once in and once before bed. The most important step, sunscreen. Sun damage can cause a lot of harm to your skin over time, leading to premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. That's why it is essential to wear sunscreen every day 10 minutes before sun exposure. Look for a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 that can protect you from both UVA and UVB rays. If you are outside, reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially during summers.